We say a vibrant winter salad is just the way to cheer up a drab and snowy day. Topped with toasted walnuts and a nutty Parmesan, this asparagus salad takes full advantage of fresh flavors. Recipe developer Tami Steggell joining me in the Studio 5 kitchen to share. Great to see you always.
Good to see you.
Why are you calling this the perfect winter salad?
Well, actually asparagus is a spring vegetable, but you can get it all year round. And I'm just calling it winter because we're adding warm toasted breadcrumbs and toasted walnuts to give it that wintry vibe, but give you like this fresh new start to the year, something that just feels like...
Feels good. Yes.
Yeah.
A different veggie to reach for, because you're right, we wouldn't think of asparagus, you know, pre-April or whenever it comes out. And this is raw asparagus.
This is raw.
I don't think I've ever tasted raw asparagus.
It's so good. It's fresh and crunchy. Have you ever had like a raw broccoli salad?
Yes.
Similar in texture, but this just like delivers all that like brightness.
Okay, how do we prep the asparagus?
Okay.
Let's start there.
So here are asparagus. I usually look for thin ones, but for this salad, a fat one.
Okay.
And then your asparagus has like this straw-like bottom to it. So you're gonna wanna cut off about 1 to 2 inches
You don't
of
do
that
the snap?
bottom. I don't, because when you snap, you lose about 50% of the moisture out of your asparagus.
For real?
Whereas if you cut, then you're preserving some of that moisture.
Oh.
But if you are not getting to your asparagus right away, just stick it in a jar and cover that bottom white part with about 1 inch of water.
Once you've cut it?
Yeah, to store it in your fridge before you cut it.
Oh, before you cut it?
Yeah.
So I shouldn't just leave it in the produce sack and tuck it in the crisper?
Right, because it'll get condensate and then just get moldy.
I am learning all sorts of things today.
So if you buy that yesterday, you're going to use it tomorrow, just stick it in a jar with 1 inch of water.
Okay.
And then what we're doing here is we're just slicing these on the diagonal. It's called the bias. So you get these beautiful like strips of asparagus. And then for this recipe, I'm using about 1.5 pounds because by the time I cut off all those white bottoms, I'm going to end up with about 1 pound of asparagus.
And went right to the tip on that. All the way up.
Yep.
Okay.
So, and then I just kind of save those pretty tips for the salad as well. So here what I've done, I've just taken some sourdough bread and I whizzed it in a blender to just get these fine crumbs. And I toasted it in a pan until it was toasty brown. And now I'm just gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
So toasted it dry and then you add the olive oil after the fact.
Yeah, and then I'm putting a little bit of garlic powder on it. And then we're just gonna toast it a little bit further.
That smell is so comforting.
And yeah, you get these like olive oil, garlicky, toasted breadcrumbs.
Very soothing.
Which add to the warmth of this salad. So you're getting crunchy freshness along with some warmth. And then also what we've done here is toasted some walnuts, and I've chopped them fine because you want the asparagus to stay the star of the show.
To shine, yes.
But this will give you more crunch.
I love
warmth.
getting into the foodie vocabulary and mind, because I wouldn't think, you say warm, and I wouldn't think of an asparagus salad as a warm food, but as you're describing these flavors and these textures, that's where the warmth comes.
Yes, so it's cold and fresh and crunchy, but you get warm flavors, flavor notes. Plus,
I'm with you.
You get fresh lemon. We are gonna squeeze fresh lemon.
Okay.
And then the dressing that we've created is simply olive oil, fresh squeezed lemon juice, a little bit of Dijon mustard, and some honey. That's it.
Can we assemble?
Yes, let's assemble it.
This is simple, this is fresh.
You are the assemble queen today. So add your walnuts, just pour that into the bowl.
Okay.
Yep, add your Parmesan.
Oh.
Or whatever, there's no rules.
No, there are. You say it, I do it, Tami girl.
And then, yeah, there you go.
Okay.
And then go ahead and just add those breadcrumbs.
Yes.
Give you a few extra.
Okay.
And then pour about 2/3 of that dressing on there.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Now give it a good toss.
I am like intrigued and curious and excited to try this salad. Okay, we'll do the rest of the cheese. I was saving a little on top. I thought you'd give me extra points for presentation.
And then go ahead and just plate some up in that bowl for you.
You bet your boots I will. Okay.
And then we'll give that just a little bit of squeeze of lemon and give that a try and see what you think. It's
really
kind of
like it.
Bright from the lemon.
It is.
And a little bit sweet from the honey.
I am surprised. I don't want to say I'm surprised how much I like it because it's you and I love everything you make, but I am surprised how much I like this. Tastes
Yeah.
good, feels good.
It's a good side salad. You can also eat it as a main dish. You could add toasted bacon to the top, little bacon crumbles.
That dressing is a winner.
You could add like rotisserie chicken to it if you want to make it
Sure.
feel more like a meal with extra protein. But it's just a beautiful salad.
It is.
With any meal.
I'm a fan, as I still chew. Thank you very
Yay.
much.
You're welcome.
You can find this recipe on our website. We'll link you over to Tami's. How would you describe the recipes that you share?
They're all flavor-based in building flavor that uses produce throughout the seasons. And yeah, it's just always focusing on that flavor profile.
Where can we connect with you directly, Tami?
You can connect with us on bitemeindustries.com, and this recipe will appear on Studio 5 KSL website.
We'll link you, as I said, to Bite Me Industries, and I am excited to polish off that bowl. Thank you
Yay.
very much. A delicious, surprisingly delicious salad for winter.